Hello, teacher
Good
Isaac.
morning.
Good morning, teacher Isaac.
What's your name?
My name is Ruby.
How old are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Right. Ruby, where do you live?
I live Felicity Hanam.
Fully City.
Felicity Hanam.
Alright. Ruby, we start with baby farm animals. Number one, baby
Baby calf.
is
A,
a baby cow.
a baby cow is called a calf.
Number two,
A baby sheep
a
is
baby
A baby ghost is called a kid. A baby horse is called a foal. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby pig is called a piglet.
alright.
What pets do you have? I have a turtle. I have a chameleon. I have a hamster. I have a monkey. I have an eagle. I have a koala. What fruit do you like best? I like avocado. I like kiwi. I like papaya. I like fish. I like blueberry. I like pineapple.
Good job. Read what?
What vegetable do you like best? I like eggplant.
Eggplant.
I like eggplant.
Okay.
I like broccoli. I like potato. I like corn. I like beans. I like leek.
Alright. The doctor.
The doctor works at the hospital.
Number two.
The pilot works at the airport. The teacher works at the school. The farmer works at the farm. Works on the farm. The police officer works at the police station.
Right. What means?
What mean for trans? What mean of transport do you use? I use a tractor.
Tractor.
Tractor. I use an ambulance.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. I use a scooter. I use a tricycle. I use a lorry.
Okay, Ruby, this is the end of the test. Good job. Bye.
Bye, teacher.